Starter Starters are a new line of products designed to help people kickstart their day in a healthy and delicious way. These starters come in a variety of flavors and are packed with all the nutrients needed to power through the day. There are many products available to choose Starter Starters, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best Starter Starters from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. New Starter Compatible. This is a new starter that is compatible with Kohler Courage engines of various models, ranging from 20 HP to 27 HP. The product comes with a variety of replacement part numbers and features 12V voltage, CCW rotation, and 10-tooth pinion. The starter is manufactured using new, high-quality components and is designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications. The product is tested for durability, reliability, and performance. Compatible with a wide range of Kohler Courage engine models. Manufactured with high-quality components. Designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications. Manufactured with new premium quality components. Engineered to meet or exceed OEM specifications. All items tested for reliability, durability, and performance. Number 2. New starter compatible with Briggs. This starter replacement part is designed for Briggs and Stratton engines, Toro, John Deere, and Cub Cadet, with a voltage of 12V, CCW rotation, and 16-tooth pinion. It is manufactured with premium quality components and engineered to meet or exceed OEM specifications, ensuring reliability, durability, and performance. The product comes with a 1-year hassle-free guarantee. Premium quality components. Designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications. 1-year hassle-free guarantee. Manufactured with new premium quality components. Engineered to meet or exceed OEM specifications. All items tested for reliability, durability, and performance. Number 3. DB Electrical 410-14080 Starter Compatible. This replacement starter is engineered to deliver peak performance and reliability for increased starting power. The high-quality construction and materials ensure efficient operation, providing the reliable starting performance you need. The DB Electrical Ford starter is designed to deliver peak performance and reliability, providing increased starting power for your vehicle. With its fast and efficient engine starting capabilities, this starter ensures a quick and easy start every time. Its high-quality construction and materials make it durable and long-lasting, even in harsh conditions. The sealed housings prevent performance robbing residue from affecting its performance, while the upgraded copper and silver contacts enhance its overall performance. Compatible with various Ford Super Duty models, this starter is a reliable replacement option. Install it easily and reduce downtime and labor costs. Number 4. IRO-NTRE 17960 Professional New Starter Compatible. The IRO-NTRE Professional Starter is a premium quality starter that is designed to provide better performance, and a perfect fit for your Honda Accord, Civic, CR-V, Element, Acura CSX, and TSX vehicles. Manufactured under strict guidelines and ISO quality standards, this starter undergoes 100% computerized load and power testing to ensure reliability, durability, and optimal performance. With upgraded components such as high-quality field coils, sealed bearings, quality brushes, and bushings, this starter delivers superior performance and meets or exceeds those specifications. The direct replacement design and comparable mounting provisions make installation a breeze. Additionally, the IRO-NTRE Professional Starter is offered at an amazing price with factory direct pricing, and comes with a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Number 5. New Starter SAE J1171 Compatible. The new starter is designed to replace the OEM Delco Mando 863007A1, ARCO 30433, ARC 30433, 57-30433, 3,660,566-3, 3,857,747, 3,860,566, 3,860,566-3, and 3,885,317. Featuring J1171 standard SAE, the device is coated with black epoxy for corrosion resistance. The Delco updated design PG260G permanent magnet gear reduction provides high torque to 0 HP. Image 3 and product description can help you find the exact replacement for Mercruiser and Volvo Penta engines. High torque to 0 HP. Corrosion resistant with black epoxy coating. Exact replacement for Mercruiser and Volvo Penta engines. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.